Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD for web design. Adobe XD is an incredibly versatile tool, perfect for crafting stunning websites and user interfaces. It provides a seamless experience for designers, allowing you to move from concept to interactive prototype with ease. We'll cover everything from setting up your initial project to sharing your final designs, ensuring you have a solid foundation for your web design journey. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of Adobe XD together. Now, let's get your web project started in Adobe XD. First, choose a web artboard preset, perhaps a common size like 1920 by 1080 pixels, to establish your canvas. Next, it's crucial to organize your design elements effectively using layers and multiple artboards. This keeps your project tidy and manageable. Don't forget to import all your essential assets, like images and custom fonts, to ensure your brand's visual identity is consistent throughout your design. This foundational step is key. With your project set up, it's time to bring your web design to life. Use Adobe XD's robust design tools, such as the pen tool and various shape tools, to craft your layouts and visual elements. Once your static design is in place, switch to prototype mode to add interactivity. You can link artboards, define transitions, and create micro-interactions that mimic a live website. For maximum efficiency, develop reusable components for elements like buttons and navigation bars, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistency across your entire project. Finally, let's talk about sharing and exporting your brilliant web design. Adobe XD makes it incredibly easy to share your interactive prototypes with clients and team members for valuable feedback. You can generate a shareable link with specific permissions. When it's time for development, export your assets in various formats, such as PNG, SVG, or JPG, ensuring they are optimized for the web. You can also hand off detailed design specifications directly to developers, streamlining the entire implementation process. Your design is now ready for the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.